Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and proximity. Make sure AirPods and case have charge and your phone is within a couple meters. Next, toggle Bluetooth off then on to clear transient radio states. This forces a fresh scan. Open the case lid near your device to trigger the pairing dialog. If no prompt appears, press and hold the case button until the LED blinks white. That manual reset entry often wakes a stuck connection state and prepares pairing cleanly. Once you've tried basic pairing, forget the AirPods on your device to remove corrupted profiles, then restart both the phone and the AirPods case. Resetting the AirPods by holding the case button until amber then white clears firmware glitches. This is why it often fixes intermittent connect failures. Make sure your phone's OS is up to date and confirm the app or media output is routed to the AirPods. These steps address deeper software and routing costs. You finish by pairing freshly. Open the case, follow prompts, and verify stereo audio and microphone routing in Bluetooth settings. Test both media playback and a phone call to ensure stable audio and mic selection. If the problem persists, try pairing the AirPods to a different device to determine whether the issue is the earbuds or your original device. One key tip: if other devices work, factory reset your primary device's network settings. This often clears hidden Bluetooth profile corruption that blocks reconnection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.